myself Ushashri. Now I am going to demonstrate how to execute half adder hardware circuit. So here we are taking AB inputs. So combinational value 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and what will be the sum and carry. When you add 0 0 bit, will get 0 output. When you add 0 1 bit high, the output will be high, and when you add 1 with 0, output is 1 and carry is 0. When you add 1 1, the sum will be 0 and carry is 1. This is what when you add 2 bits sum and carry. For this high outputs, okay, we will write the expression for sum. Sum is equal to, okay, here 1 means here A is 0, B 1. So A bar B plus A1 B0. So A B bar, 0 means B bar. Now same as we will write the expression for carry, that is only 1 output. So that is AB is equal to 1. So directly AB expression. For this, when you design the logic circuit, taking A and connecting to NOT gate, B and connecting to NOT gate, okay. Now A bar B, take inverted output of A to AND gate input, same as B directly input. So these are all the two inputs and output is taken. Next, A B bar connected for AND, and these two outputs were connected for OR gate. This becomes sum. And coming to carry, A and B connected for AND gate, and carry will be obtained. Now we will see the pin diagram for NOT gate. 7404 IC is used as NOT gate IC. Okay, here we can connect 6 NOT gates. For each and every 14 pin IC, we need to connect 7th pin to ground as well 14th pin for VCC. Now first pin is input and second pin is output. Go on, you can connect 6 NOT gates. Same as coming to 7408 IC. First 1 and 2 pins are the input and the third pin is output. Same as here we can connect 4 AND gates. Coming to OR gate, 7432 IC. Okay, first 1 and 2 pins are input and the third pin becomes the output. Go on like that again. You can connect 4 OR gates using 7432 IC. Okay, now I am taking 7404 IC and placing here. So it works. NOT gate can be connected by using this. Now 7408 IC. This is used as AND gate. (7432) IC for OR gate. Now I will connect it according to the circuit. That is, first A input and given to first pin of NOT gate, and this A is connected for second AND gate first input. Same A is connected for second AND gate, that means 1 2 3 4th pin. And next connect same A, tapping a probe, connect it for third AND gate first pin, that is third AND gate. This is the 7th pin, 8th pin becomes output, so 9th pin. Now take the output of NOT gate, that is A bar and connect it for first AND gate first pin, that means pin number 1 and IC. That's it, A is given. Now connect one more input B give for NOT gate IC pin number 3, and this B is connected for first AND gate second input. The same B is connected to first AND gate second pin. Next, again the same B is connected for the third AND gate. Okay, this is 11, 12 inputs. Now take the inverted output that is from NOT gate, that is fourth pin, and connect it for the second AND gate second input, that is pin number 5. Okay, now AND gate, first AND gate output is given for OR gate input. That means pin number 3 is the AND gate output given for OR gate first pin number 1 input, and the second AND gate, that is pin number 6, is given as second input for OR gate, that is pin number 2. And now this OR gate output pin number 3 is taken as sum, and same as AND gate, third AND gate, that is pin number 8 is taken as output carry. Now please connect all the 7 pins to ground. Okay, connecting all the 7 pins, 7th pin of each IC to the ground, and 16th pin, that means here 14 pin, because it is 14 pin IC. So here, see here, 2 slots are empty. That means these 8th and 9th pin are not considered for all the ICs. So 16th pin becomes 14th pin. 14th pin were connected for VCC plus 5 volts. Now switch on the circuit. Okay, switch on the trainer key. Now we'll check the truth table. That is for 0, 0, sum 0, carry 0. For 0, 0 input, sum 0, carry 0. Now give 1 for B, that is A, B, 0, 1. We'll get sum 1, carry 0. Sum 1, carry 0. Next, A is 1. A1, B0. So the output is sum 1 and carry 0. Now both inputs are 1. Sum 0, carry 1. Okay, this is the 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share my video.